All right, now I'm going to install the power by the hour AN line conversion for the 10R80 and 6R80. Here's the parts right here. I got caps on them just in case so nothing leaks out while I'm installing the motor. Gonna pull this little clip off. Boy, this one's getting mangled. All right, I'll take a 10mm. I think Ford used a bunch of Loctite on these. That plate comes off. All right, drop them down out of the way. Of course, it's gonna make a little bit of a mess. I'm gonna use some of this transmission fluid to lube these O-rings up. All right, in order for the power by the hour fittings to go in, you have to remove this factory O-ring. Pops out like that. Now these fittings will go right in. All right, got the fittings in. Now I'm gonna snug it up and it's done. So yeah, look at the amount of Loctite Ford puts on that bolt. That's why it was such a pain in the ass to get it out.